With Hurricane Sandy and some last-minute winter storms, 2012 had a severe end in regards to the weather conditions. So now, what can we expect for 2013? Well, here to tell us about the best places to ski and the best places to swim is CEO and co-founder of Weather Trends International, Bill Kirk. Good to have you back, Bill. Okay, last time Bill was here, I think Jill Zarin was also here on the show, we had somebody else here on the show from Real Housewives. And we were obsessed with this because it affects your travel when you don't know what the weather is going to be like. And
who wants a rainy vacation?
Exactly.
Right.
And Weather 360 can predict. You could talk about the
you
weather.
don't have to go that far. You can go to better.tv. On the front page, you have a vacation planning app. So you want 90 and sunny in the Sierras or Cancun, wherever. It'll tell you the 3 best times to do that. So you better chance of lower risk.
We have our own link on the website, and we also have our own app, right?
You have a free app, right? Yeah. So your head on your phone, Android, Kindle Fire, anywhere you want to go.
We've seen Hurricane Sandy. There's been blizzards. Then over the Christmas holiday, obviously, record snow. 70% of the U.S.
Yeah, even Dallas had snow, so it's crazy.
So do you global warming, climate
change?
No,
well, I mean, again, we all heard that the U.S. had the hottest year on record, but that's the U.S. It's not the globe. So basically, there's a cold Pacific pattern and an Atlantic pattern, ocean pattern, and those are leading up to actually kind of stormier winters. Last year was kind of an anomaly. We're going to see a stormy winter this year through March.
Through March?
March is not looking good. So
for the majority of the country.
Most of the country, cold, snowy, wet. Probably
there we go.
Snowiest in 10 years.
If you want to use the snow to your advantage and the cold weather to your advantage, and you want to go on a vacation, what spots would you recommend?
Well, again, we had the top 5 here. I think the top 3 for skiing would probably be where they're measuring snow in feet up to rooftops would probably be Lake Tahoe in the Sierras of California, probably the Cascade Mountains up in Snoqualmie, right? They've got hundreds of inches of snow. And then lastly, just because the season will be long, is probably Killington, Vermont, a good northeast resort. So they'll probably have some good snow through March. So unlike last year when we had record heat, 85 degree in Chicago, 70s in the northeast, not this year.
No, just total opposite everywhere.
Good.
If you're like me and you're sick and tired of the cold weather at this point, and you want to get to some warmer weather for a vacation, what would your top spots be?
Well, unfortunately, I think we have to leave the U.S., because we have most of the country pretty cold through March. I would think that, if you want a warm, dry, which most of us want on vacation, you got to go to the Virgin Islands, Jamaica, deep south. Even Florida could be pretty rainy and stormy in March. So you really want to think spring break, more vacations a little further south.
What's this top secret that you've got here?
Well, I always used to say, I'm a Captain Kirk in the Air Force, right? So it used to be top secret. But now it's free. It's free on your website, free iPhone apps. It's all about helping you with your lifestyle planning. You know the weather, you can have lower risk on those. Who wants kids in Orlando on a rainy weekend, right? It doesn't work.
I use it all the time, and it's accurate. It helps a lot. Last question before we go. Most people don't associate the weather with the economy, and they don't mix the two together, but it is going to affect the economy.
That's what we do with the big companies, Walmart's, Target's of the world. But yes, if you know every month in 2012, or 13 rather, is actually the wrong weather. Cold, rainy spring, colder summer, warm fall, and then epic blizzards maybe around the holiday shopping season. Totally wrong for what we want to buy. Now, the good news for you as a consumer is steep markdowns. You're going to have great sales. So women, don't go buy the bathing suits that are on the shelf right now in January. Wait till March, April. They'll be on major discount.
Seasonal items. It's so interesting to see how that all plays out. Thank you so much, Bill. Good to have you back. And if you want to find out the forecast, even up to 365 days ahead of time. Yes, I said it, 1 year ahead. You can go to our website, bettertv.com, click on the Better Weather Planner button. You can also download our weather app, as you were talking about. It's available on the iPhone App Store and Google Play, and you can click on the Weather Trends 360